Welcome to DIY Hair School. My name is Jillian and I am going to teach you how to do your own hair. Today we are going to do an adorable, pretty, sleek, just my favorite bun using a hair tie and a claw clip. If you have thicker, longer hair, you might need a larger clip. If you have thinner hair like me, you might need a smaller clip. If you have shorter hair like me, shoulder length to the collarbone area, you're going to want something that's not too tall. If you have longer hair, then you're going to want something that has a bit more height. But if your hair is not super long like mine, you don't want something that has too much height, or it's just you're not going to have enough hair to cover it. And if you have even thicker hair, something with height that's also a little bit bigger is going to work. It's just about finding the size of clip that's going to work best for you. There's one that will work for everybody, but I have thin, fine hair, so we're going to use a small clip. We're going to start off making a ponytail high up on your head. You want to make sure it's not right on the top of your head, but it's also not too far back. I mean, you can put it wherever you want, but too high up on your head typically just doesn't quite look right. And if you put it too far back, you're not really going to see the bun from the front. So if you want to be able to see the bun from the front, then you want to put it right at the crown of your head where your head just starts to round back down. So you've created your little ponytail, and now because I have layers, I'm going to twist the ponytail before I use my clip. I could just do it like this, but it's just more likely that my layers are going to fall out. If I want to make sure all those layers stay in, then I'm just going to give it a little twist first. So I'm just going to twist my ponytail, and then I'm going to take my clip and I'm going to clip right over top of my hair tie here. Just right there. So it's right over top of the hair tie. And then I'm going to pull the hair over and tuck it under the clip and squeeze the clip closed. And then I'm just going to pull all the hair over. Now you can add a couple pins to the sides if you want to, but you don't have to if you've secured it well. I think this just creates the prettiest little bun on top of your head. It's not quite a messy bun, but it's not like a sleek bun either. It's somewhere in between. It makes this cute little croissant shape, and I just think it is adorable. I hope you guys try this one out, and I hope it works just as well for you. Don't forget that if it doesn't work right on the first try, just try again, keep working on it, try different clips. You never know which one is going to be the right one for you, because I promise if I tried to do this with this clip in my hair, it would not work. So make sure you try different clips, different techniques. Don't give up after the first couple tries just because it didn't work right away for you. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this lesson at DIY Hair School. Follow me on Instagram and on TikTok as well. Comment, let me know what you want to see in my videos, and subscribe so that you don't miss any more of my tutorials.